Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Garena Free Fire on mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Garena Free Fire on your mobile device, then the process is quite simple. I'm using my Android device in today's video, but if you are using an iOS device, you can simply follow the same steps in order to get it downloaded on your iPhone as well. Go and open up your Play Store or your App Store, and in the search box, search for Garena Free Fire and search. Once you search for the application, you'll be able to see the search result. All you need to do now is to tap on the install button in order to begin the downloading process for Garena Free Fire on your mobile device. Garena Free Fire is a multiplayer battle royale mobile game. It is published and developed by Garena for Android and iOS devices. Once the application has been downloaded, you'll be able to see the play button. Simply tap on the play button in order to launch open your application. That is how you can easily get the Garena Free Fire game downloaded on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.